When I first came to the credit union, it was United Services Credit Union at the time.
I think it's a great credit union. Of course, for me, I spent many years here, but the staff and the people, just great people to work with.
My experience with United Services Credit Union and now Self-Help has been one that I have cherished.
And I worked at St. Joe's Hospital. I was one of the first members that joined. Most all the employees, we were so excited to be able to have somewhere we could come and have our money sent, you know, and didn't have to worry about getting a paper check.
When I first started with the credit union, it was Asheville Hospital's Credit Union. And then the name was changed to United Services Credit Union when a few industries merged with us, and right at the same time, the old Fort Finishing plant merged with us. And then United Services Credit Union merged with Self-Help Credit Union.
I joined the credit union when they were United Services Credit Union. I knew that it was important to have a bank account and as well being able to build up my credit.
When I was 32 years old, I didn't have very good credit, and there was a car that I really wanted. So I went down to the credit union, filled out the application, but they were willing to give me the loan with a cosigner. So I got my mother to co-sign for me, and that was my first loan, and I was very proud of that.
It was my first credit union I've ever joined, and they're really helpful in giving me a personal loan, and you know, I was trying to fix my credit at the time, and I was able to get a secured credit card, which then led me to be able to get an unsecured credit card. So that was really helpful because credit is very important.
When I started with the credit union, I had a little briefcase that I carried with me, and I went to 4 different hospitals. And in that briefcase, I carried checks and all the documents that I would need for loans. And it was a non-cash operation on that. So if someone wanted to make a withdrawal, I typed them a check.
It seemed like during that time it was so hard and stressful for people to want to give their children a good Christmas. That was really important. And then they started a Christmas club. I had 2 little boys at the time, and one wanted something called a Green Hornet, and my baby son, he wanted a bicycle. They wanted football suits, the helmets and the football and the shirt and the pants.
When I joined the credit union, my main focus was making inroads into the Hispanic community. Basically, imagine a very basic operation where we were taking our personal laptops, copier, a portable printer, hiring sheriff deputies for security since we were handling cash. We were renting office space in South Asheville twice a week, Friday afternoons and Saturday mornings. We made noise about our presence. The community knew that we were offering services, and they were coming to us to open accounts and start inquiring about loans and other services.
Yeah, the credit union helped me with my credit, build it up with the credit building program.
I think not only can they repair someone's credit history, but they can also repair someone's self-esteem. When you're looking for a loan, it means a lot when someone will listen to you because sometimes circumstances are not black and white. There's always a reason for something, and I think the credit union was there not only to make money, but to really help people with their lives and improve their quality of life and their self-esteem.
There's always been a huge focus on financial education. We believe that having a financially educated membership base makes everybody stronger. Our members will know and use our products better and to their maximum benefit. We expedite this process because we know that you want to be in your house as soon as possible.
The credit union has helped me in a lot of different ways. Like I said, learning about credit and home ownership and interest rates and things like that. And you know, not a lot of banks really take that time to work with you and to teach you those types of things, and to make you feel at home at the same time. The loan officers met with me and talked to me about how the process works and what I could and could not qualify for, which really helped me start the process of finding a home.
Credit unions help people when big banks turn them down. Credit unions give people a chance.
And they're really nice people, and besides that, they have an amazing staff that they are bilingual. They help our Latino community.
Aquí está la cuenta de cheques y le damos.
Perfecto. Muchísimas gracias.
Bueno, que tenga buen día.
Credit union has been part of my family for 25 years. It helped me rebuild my credit, which was really important to me at the time as a young man. I was able to help my kids out during their lives.
The opportunities that the credit union has given me has allowed me to provide stability for my son. Without the credit union, I don't think I would be able to own a home, and it's been wonderful.
And now I can tell you that it's just a matter of a few months, and probably I'm going to get a house for my family. That's the American dream, right?